Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat pagi anak-anak MEM semuanya. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I hope we always in a good condition even we are in COVID-19 ya. Jadi diharapkan kita semua selalu dalam kondisi sehat karena kita masih dalam keadaan COVID-19 ini ya nak ya. Don't forget to usually do the 5M ya. Jangan lupa selalu terapkan protokol kesehatannya 5M-nya itu ya. Apa aja nak? Do you still remember? Yeah.
Mencuci
Yeah,
tangan.
wear mask, wash your hand. Yeah. What else?
Menjaga jarak.
Menjaga
Makan.
jarak. Makan, ya makan ya, biar sehat. Jadi makan terus ya, Gifas ya. Okay. Before we are going to start our lesson today, so I want you to pray together before we start our lesson. Jadi sebelum kita belajar, ada baiknya kita bersama-sama berdoa, ya. So I want Handy to lead your friend to pray together. Handy, please, tolong dipandu teman-temannya untuk sama-sama berdoa.
Oke, sebelum kita memulai pelajaran, alangkah baiknya kita berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan kita masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Okay, thank you, Handy.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay, now, before we start our lesson, I want call your name as your attendance today. Ya, jadi akan mem absen dulu nama-namanya. Aldo,
Hadir, ma'am.
Ananda, Fitri,
Hadir, ma'am.
Nadia Lusitania,
Present, ma'am.
Eka,
Hadir, ma'am.
Handy,
Present, ma'am.
Riansa,
Hadir, ma'am.
Yolanda,
Hadir, ma'am.
Dea,
Hadir, ma'am.
Muhammad Zulfi, Desvita,
Saya, Bu.
Yeni, oke, Fajar,
Hadir, ma'am.
Rizniati,
Hadir, ma'am.
Teresia,
Hadir, ma'am.
Mahdalena,
Hadir, ma'am.
Maria Penny, Papang,
Hadir, ma'am.
Apta,
Hadir, ma'am.
Nur Aslinda,
Hadir, ma'am.
Maria Seruni,
Hadir, ma'am.
Gebri Panjaitan,
Hadir, ma'am.
Nabila Nur,
Hadir, ma'am.
Benli,
Hadir, ma'am.
Putri Katbo. Oh ya, Putri Katbo speakernya rusak tadi katanya. Kemudian Leli belum masuk ya? Debbie,
Hadir, ma'am.
oke. Debbie Aditya,
Hadir, ma'am.
Yuniati,
Hadir, ma'am.
oke, thank you. So, jadi yang tidak masuk tadi hanya Leli ya. Oke. Okay, next. Before we going to start our lesson, I want to ask you about what lesson we have learned before. Jadi sebelumnya Mem tanya dulu nih, kemarin kita belajar apa? Masih ingat nggak? Di kelas kita belajar apa?
Report text ya, ma'am.
Ya, report text kemarin ya. We talk about report text. Okay. Yeah. So, today we will discuss about news item text. News item text. Who knows the Indonesian of news item text mean? Apa artinya yuk? Who knows? Artinya news item. Ya, item text. Belum tahu ya? Oke, ma'am, I want to ask you about, do you ever read a newspaper before? Pernah baca koran, majalah? Oke, pernah ya. What news have you already read before? Apa bentuk berita apa yang pernah kamu baca sebelumnya? Ya nak? Contohnya, nggak pernah ya baca berita ya? Pernah kan?
Banjir, tsunami gitu, Mem.
Oke, ya, flood, ya, tsunami. So, today we will discuss about news item text. Nah, so news item text itu apa namanya, berita ya, teks berita seperti yang pernah kalian baca di koran, majalah, ataupun juga maybe in your social media, maybe ya. Jadi itulah yang namanya report text. Before that, I want to tell you how why we must study about news item text. Nah, jadi apa sih gunanya kita belajar news item text ini? Yang pertama, for the first, you can analyze the structure and then the function and the language feature of the text. Ya, jadi bisa nanti kalian menganalisis nih, tahu fungsinya apa, strukturnya apa, kemudian bahasa yang digunakan itu apa, ya, unsur kebahasanya. For the second, you can identify the structure of the text. Bisa mengidentifikasi teks news item itu. For the third, ya, you can get the information about the news. Jadi bisa mendapatkan informasi tertentu yang ada pada text news item itu. And then the last, you can arrange the news item text in simple ya, in simple and short news item text. Jadi bisa kalian nanti setelah pembelajaran ini bisa membuat teks news item nanti, walaupun itu masih bersifat singkat ataupun pendek ya. So now in this classroom today, before we go on in our lesson, I want to remembering you ya. Jadi saya akan mengingatkan lagi the rule of the study today. Jadi pembelajaran hari ini ada ininya ya, aturannya. For the first, don't forget or you must on your camera. Ya, jadi buka kameranya, nak, on kan semuanya. Ma'am, still look at in this screen. There are still student, still non-active the camera. Jadi ada beberapa siswa yang masih belum diaktifkan kameranya. Jadi mohon diaktifkan. If you want to ask something, if you want to say something, you can raise your hand, ya, and then you open your microphone. Jadi setelah itu kalau ada yang mau ditanyakan atau ada yang mau ingin kalian katakan, boleh raise handmu. Ada di situ emoticonnya ya, ada raise hand seperti ini ya. Baru nanti dibuka speakernya. Oke. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan? Jelas? Jelas ya. So I hope the student who not active the camera, please active the camera. Ya, jadi yang belum aktifkan kamera, mohon diaktifkan dulu kamera. Oke. Now, I have make a group of you. Ya, I have make a group of you. So, and then I have already share in our WhatsApp group. Ya, sudah Mem kirimkan nama-nama kelompoknya? Sudah Mem. Sudah ya. So, that is the group. If we want to discuss something, so you must discuss with your partner in your group. Ya, jadi gunakan grup itu sebagai media diskusinya nanti. Okay, let's see our material today. I want to share screen. Ya, sebentar, Mem share screen-nya dulu. Sudah kelihatan, Nak?
Sudah, ma'am.
Okay. Our discussion today is about news item text. Ya, news item text. Hari ini pembelajaran kita adalah news item text. Tadi udah Mem tanya. I have already asked you. Do you ever read the newspaper? Sudah pernah baca koran? Pasti semuanya pernah ya kan, Nak ya?
Ya, ma'am.
Oke. Di mana aja kalau ketemu news item itu, Nak? Where do you can find the news item text? In the
Koran, majalah.
Iya. Apa koran itu? Bahasa Inggrisnya newspaper. And then what else? Magazine. Okay, that's good. Or in this media, maybe on your notepad, on your handphone, you can see or you can find the news item text. Okay, now that is the news item text. It means that ya, artinya news item text itu di sini yang kita pelajari adalah yang berbentuk tulisan, Nak ya. Ada juga berita yang ada yang berbentuk dengan lisan. Apa contohnya? Ini ya. Let's watch out the video.
In the Indonesian capital, oxygen is an increasingly precious commodity. As hospitals in Java run out of room for the sick, people fight for their loved ones to survive.
I had trouble finding oxygen last night. I went to 5 places, including this store and a large medicine market. All stocks ran out.
Minanti is trying to care for her elderly father at home. He's diabetic and has problems with his heart and kidneys. His oxygen saturation is low. But he could not get a place at Jakarta's crowded hospitals. Every day she struggles to find oxygen for him.
The tank is super difficult to get. We borrowed it, and then suddenly the owner said they needed it back because they also got COVID. We looked around and got this big tank, but it's difficult to refill.
This public health clinic in Bekasi is trying to reach those who couldn't get admitted to hospital. But these doctors are also struggling with shortages.
We really need about oxygen tank and the refill, and then also the medicine because we treat severe condition. So we need remdesivir. Remdesivir we cannot find it.
Dr. Ernie says the government's data doesn't tell the full story because so many people are dying before they take a PCR test.
We feel so sad because right now there are a lot of loss at home. Sometimes we have people reported to us someone died at home. When we check the body with antigen, apparently positive.
The team try to monitor patients in the area, but there are more than 300 of them and only 30 health workers. As hospitals reach capacity and are forced to turn away critically ill people, roving teams of public health clinic workers are trying to reach those in need of medical attention, to monitor their condition and to provide them with oxygen and medication. But there are too many patients and not enough medics, and they don't have the time or resources to help everyone in need. The Ministry of Health says it is trying to increase medical oxygen production and add more beds in hospitals. But each day, more and more people are falling ill.
Because of the situation, very difficult to find ambulance, very difficult to find health facilities, and sometimes when they're reaching the health facility, they already died on the way to the health facilities.
Without even the prospect of getting medical care, people continue to die in their own homes in front of their loved ones. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Bekasi.
Nah, you have watched the video, yeah? What about the video is? Siapa yang bisa jawab? Itu videonya tentang apa, Nak?
Coronavirus.
Yeah, the coronavirus. Yeah, so this is the example of the news. ya, the news in TV, television, ya. Jadi ini contohnya adalah berita yang ada di TV. Oke. Nah, itu contoh berita secara lisan. Kita akan belajar, we talk about berita, ya, the news item text. Nah, we talk about the news item text in written. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang news item text. Kalau tadi dia bentuknya berita secara lisan, ya, ataupun yang biasa kalian jumpai di TV. Now we will to talk about the news item in the text. So, our discussion is about news item text. Jadi, pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah tentang this news item text. We are going to learn about in this section. We are going to learn about. Jadi, pada pertemuan kita hari ini, kita akan mempelajari tentang, for the first, is the definition, what is the news item text. And then we will study about the social function, and then generic structures, language features, and there are some example of the text. Before kita lanjutkan, sebelum kita lanjutkan pembelajaran, any question so far?
No, ma'am.
No, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Jadi, so I want to hear Nadia, please. What we are going today, Nadia?
Yes, ma'am.
What we are going to learn today in this discussion, Nadia? Apa aja yang akan kita pelajari hari ini?
Tentang about definition, what is news item text, social function, generic structure, language feature, sama example.
Oke, jelas ya nak ya. Oke, next. Kita masuk ke pembahasannya. For the first is the definition of the news item text. I want to Handy to read the definition, please.
The definition of new items is a text that inform the readers about newsworthy or important event of the day.
Ya, news items, ya, news items is, and then a text that informs the readers about newsworthy. Coba ulangi, repeat after me, newsworthy.
Newsworthy.
Iya. Newsworthy. Iya. Okay, that's good. Or important events of the day. Jadi, definisinya adalah news item text itu adalah sebuah teks yang menginformasikan pembaca ataupun pendengar, ya, dengan pertimbangan bahwa berita tersebut layak dan penting untuk diberitakan. Ya, itu pengertiannya, definitionnya. And then next, what is the social function of news item? I want Yolanda, please read the social function of news item text, please.
The social function of news item is to inform readers, listeners, or viewers about events of the day, which is considered newsworthy or important.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Yolanda. The social function of news item is to inform the readers, listener, or viewers about events of the day which is considered newsworthy or important. Jadi fungsinya adalah untuk menginformasikan pembaca tentang peristiwa atau kejadian yang terjadi, ya, yang sedang hot-hotnya atau panas-panasnya yang sekarang sedang terjadi, itu tujuannya. Oke, next. Sampai sini ada yang mau ditanyakan, nak? Any question so far from the definition and the social function? No? Is it clear?
Yes.
Oke, next. Kita lanjut. Generic structure. Generic structure. I want Maria Penny. Please read the generic structure.
Generic structure of news item. One, main event or newsworthy events recounts the event in summary. Two, background event or elaboration, detailed information of what caused the incident. Who, what, when, where, and why. Three, search, comments by participants in witness to an authorities or expert on the event.
Okay, thank you, Maria. That's good. Generic structure of the text for the first. Please hear the pronunciation of the word. Ya, coba dengarkan cara membacanya, nak ya. Main event, newsworthy events. Ya, is the recounts the event in summary. Jadi itu adalah main event itu apa kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, nak? Dalam bahasa Indonesianya apa main event? Ya,
Paragraf utama.
iya, paragraf utama atau berita utamanya apa? Ya. For the second, the background, event or elaboration. Apa background and elaboration in Indonesia?
Latar belakang.
Iya, latar belakang. So, it means that detailed information of what caused the accident. Ya, apa informasinya atau latar belakangnya sebuah kejadian itu terjadi, nak. So, we must look at the who, what, when, where, and why. Jadi ada latar belakangnya itu di mana ada orangnya, apa yang terjadi, kapan, ya di mana dan mengapa. And then the last is source, ya. Source itu apa, nak?
Sumber.
Sumber, that's good, sumber. Comments by participants in witness to an authorities or expert on the event. Ya, jadi itu adalah sumber itu orang yang memberikan kesaksiannya ataupun sumber beritanya, yang memberikan sumber beritanya itu siapa? Ya, that is the generic structure of the news item. So, any questions so far in generic structure?
No,
Is it clear? No?
It's clear, ma'am.
Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Language feature. Language feature. Yeni, where is Yeni?
Here, Pak. Di sini, Yeni, di sini.
Yeah, Yeni, please read the language feature of the news item text.
Okay. Using action verb kick, hit, run, act. 2. Using saying verb such as say or act, which we typically use to report what someone said. He told me that he could sleep. Act said, claim age. 3. Using passive sentence. Aceh was hit by tsunami in
2004.
West Brown was used for using past tenses, but if it is a fact that until now still happen or still in the form of fact, then can use simple present tense. 5. Using clear language and phrases.
Okay, thank you, Yeni. Now you must hear the pronunciation of the word ya. Jadi tolong dengarkan membacakan ini, cara membacanya. Using action verbs ya. For example, kick, hit, run or etc. Ya, using action verb. Please repeat after me. Using action verbs.
Using action verbs.
Okay, using action verbs.
Using action verb.
Yeah, that's good. Nah, contohnya, jadi menggunakan kata kerja ya, yang menyatakan suatu kegiatan tubuh kalian nih, gerak kalian yang jelas-jelas nyata seperti kick, menendang, ya kan? Hit apa nak? Hit, memukul, run, berlari. Ya, jadi action verb ini kata kerja yang dapat dilihat dari gerak tubuhmu. Jelas ya, nak ya? Is it clear? Okay. For the second, using verb. such as say or ask, which we typically use to report what someone said. Jadi menggunakan saying said, menggunakan kata yang digunakan untuk menyatakan orang mengatakan. Misalnya ada kata-katanya di sini contohnya ask, and then said, claimed, ya, told. Please repeat after me. Told. Ya, told. Ask. Ask. Okay. Said. Said. Claim. Okay, that's good. Jadi kalau news item text itu biasanya ada kata said, ask, claim, told. Nah, itu ada kata-katanya. And then for the third, using passive sentence. Passive sentence. Repeat after me. Passive sentence. Do you still remember the example of passive sentence? Masih ingat kalimat pasif? Kalimat pasif. Misalnya nih, my mother cooks rice. Ya, my mother cooks rice. Ibu saya memasak nasi. Kalau kalimat pasifnya, kalau bahasa Indonesianya apa, Nak?
Nasi dimasak ibu saya.
Okay, that's good, Divas. Nasi dimasak ibu saya. The rice, ya, were cooked by my mother. Ya, the rice were cooked by my mother. Oke, itu kalimat pasif, ya, contohnya. Contohnya di sini ada Aceh was hit by tsunami in 2004. Ya, nih contohnya. Kemudian using past tense. Do you still remember the past tense? Ya, the past tenses. Masih ingat kalimat past tense? Give me example, Maria, Seruni. Kalimat past tense, do you still remember? Forget? Who still remember in here, in this class? Siapa yang masih ingat? Ayo.
Past tense itu kan kalimat yang sudah lampau, Ma'am.
Iya.
Contohnya, I went to Surabaya for holiday last Saturday, gitu.
Okay, that's good, Nadia. Who else wants to give the example? Ya, Maria Papang.
I visit Yeni house last week.
Ya,
I visited
ya, visited. Ya, that's
Yeni.
good. Ya, use the second verb, ya, kata kerja bentuk kedua. Kemudian, if the news still happen, ya, at the present, so you can use simple present tense. Ya, jadi kalau dia beritanya itu bentuk sekarang sedang terjadi, so we can use simple present tense. Do you still remember simple present tense? Who can give the example of simple present tense? Siapa yang bisa kasih saya contohnya simple present tense? Yolanda, maybe? Yolanda?
Agak lupa sih, Ma'am. Tapi I am a student. Itu
ya.
Ma'am.
Okay, I am a student. And what else? Maybe ya? Ya, Nadia?
Example, she goes to work every day.
She goes to work every day. Oke, itu contohnya. Mungkin Maria ada idenya?
Maria sings every day.
Ya, Maria sings every day. Handy?
He goes to school.
He goes to school. That's good. Ya, ternyata masih ingat semua anak mem nih. Luar biasa. Tepuk tangan. Give applause for all the student in here. Give applause. Yay, that's good. Okay, yeah. Next, the last, yeah, using clear language and precise. Ya, clear language and precise. Jadi menggunakan kata-kata yang jelas. Ya. Okay, that are the language feature of the news item text. Do you any question so far? Ada pertanyaan?
No, ma'am.
No, jelas. Oke, lanjut. That is the example of news item text. I want siapa ya? Aldo, please read the first paragraph. Aldo, you still here? Oh, maybe Aldo sedang ke belakang ya. Maybe Aldo in toilet now. Okay, next. Debbie Shahdila, please read the first paragraph. Debbie, are you still here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Example for first paragraph. 7 people were killed in a collision between a bus, a car, and a truck at 10:35 p.m. on Jalan Sultan last night.
Okay, thank you, Debbie.
Welcome, ma'am.
7 people were killed in collision between a bus, a car, and a truck at 10:35 p.m. on Jalan Sultan last night. Okay, for the second paragraph, Fanly, please.
The dead were all passengers in the car. Police believe the car may have been trying to overtake the bus when it was struck by a truck coming from the opposite direction. The driver of the car may not have been using his lights. As the truck driver said, he did not see the car approaching.
Okay, thank you, Fanly. That's good. Now, the last paragraph. Gabri, please read the paragraph.
Yeah, ma'am. The police said the car should not have been trying to pass the bus, since overtaking is not allowed on Jalan Sultan. In addition, the police report that the car, a small Japanese car, should not have been carrying more than 5 people. The names of the victims are not yet known.
Okay, thank you, Gabri. Now, that is the example of the news item text. Look at the generic structure of the example. Look at the first paragraph. Yeah, the main event or newsworthy is in the first paragraph. Jadi lihat bagiannya, struktur dari news item yang pertama ada di paragraf pertama. Apa itu berita utamanya? 7 people were killed in collision between a bus, a car, and a truck at 10:35 p.m. on Jalan Sultan last night. For the background, tadi apa nak background?
Latar belakang.
Iya, latar belakangnya. Tadi ada apa aja di latar belakang tadi? Apa yang kita lihat? Ya, who-nya siapa di situ? Who-nya siapa di teks? 7 people. And then what happened? Apa yang terjadi di situ? What happened? All passenger in the car. Okay. And then where? Where? Di mana tempatnya tadi terjadi kecelakaan? Okay. And okay, that's good. And then what else? When?
Last night.
Yeah, last night. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. And then the last is source. Ya, source di situ ada pada paragraf ketiga. Source tadi apa, Nak?
Sumber.
So what? Who is the source of the news? Okay, the police.
The police.
Okay, the police. That's good. Ya, bagus sekali. Ya, berarti udah paham anak-anak mem semuanya, luar biasa. Now look at the language feature. The language feature-nya. Apa tadi language features?
Unsur kebahasaannya, Mem.
Unsur kebahasaannya. Yang pertama harus ada apa, Nak?
Using action verbs.
Action verb. Di mana action verb-nya? Tunjukin ke mem.
Kill.
Kill, boleh kill. Ya, kita kasih tanda nih, kill. Kill. Apa lagi? Ada lagi, Nak? Kill. Terus apa lagi? Identify the text, please. Ada lagi, Nak? Sudah ketemu belum? Oke, kill yang pertama. And then what else? Tadi action verb. Kemudian ada saying verb. Apa tadi saying verb, Nak? Contohnya tadi apa saying verb?
Say.
Iya, say. Ada nggak di situ? Yang mana? Ini ya.
The three paragraph.
Oke, the third paragraph. That's good. Say. Ada lagi? No? Tidak ada lagi ya? Oke, and then what else? Using passive sentence. Ada di situ passive sentence-nya, Nak? Ada passive sentence-nya?
Sentence West.
Passive sentence tadi apa? My mother cook rice. The rice were cooked by my mother, for example. Ah, di mana di situ? Ada nggak?
Paragraph of 2, Mem.
Iya, the second paragraph. Yang mana, Nadia?
Police believe
Mm-mm.
the car may have been trying to overtake the bus.
The
when
bus?
it was, di was-nya itu, Mem.
Oke, was struck by a truck, ya? Iya, oke. Oke, that's good. That's good, ya. Itu ada pada menggunakan apa tadi, Nak? Passive sentence. And then past tense. Yang mana past tense? Tunjukkan ke mem kalimat past tense-nya. Iya, ya. 7 people. Okay, that's good. 7 people were killed in collision between a bus, a car, and a truck on Jalan Sultan last night. Oke, ada lagi yang lain? Kalimat lain? Oke ya, nanti kita cari lagi, kita gali lagi ya. Kemudian ada lagi, Nak. Contohnya, di situ ada Presiden Donald Trump, ya, ada di situ about the news item about President Donald Trump will bring the full force of the United States government to combat human trafficking. Nah, itu contoh news item lain. Ada di sini the first paragraph, main event and newsworthy, the second background or elaboration, and then source. Ya, oke. Sampai di sini ada pertanyaan. Any question so far? Any question so far?
No question so far, Ma'am.
Oke, ya, jelas ya, Nak ya. It's about the news item text. Oke, jelas ya. Now, look at this news. Please read. Siapa tadi yang belum baca nih? Mem lihat dulu. Dipas, please read the first paragraph. Dipas.
Ya, Mem.
Okay.
Indonesia housemate has been executed in Saudi Arabia after being convicted of killing her employer, the Saudi Interior Minister said.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Thank you, Divas. an Indonesian housemate has been executed in Saudi Arabia after being convicted of killing her employer, the Saudi Interior Minister said. Okay, the second paragraph. Eka, please read. Eka, are you still here? Mungkin Eka sedang ke belakang ya. Julfi, please.
The woman was beheaded in the southern Aceh province in what was the second execution in the country.
Okay, thank you, Said Julfi. The woman was beheaded in the southern Aceh province in what was the second execution in the country. Okay, next, the third paragraph. Apalagi yang belum kebagian ini ya. Rini, where are you, Rini? Are you still here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, please read the third paragraph, Rini.
The maid was earlier fond of suffocating her female boss and stealing her jewelry, rape, murder, and other serious crimes can carry the death penalty in the conservative desert kingdom.
Okay, thank you, Rini. Please hear the pronouns of the word. Yeah, pronunciation of the word. Earlier. Yeah, please repeat after me. Earlier. Okay. Suffocating. Found. Female. Stealing. Jewelry. Rape. Murder. Serious. Crime. Death. Okay. Penalty. Conservative. Desert. Okay, ya, itu cara bacanya ya. Thank you. Now the last paragraph. I want Nur Aslinda, please read the last paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Last year, Saudi Arabia, which follow a strict interpretation of Sharia Islamic law, executed more than
130
people.
Okay, thank you. Listen carefully. Yeah. Strict. Please repeat after me. Strict. Interpretation. Executed. 130. Oke, ya itu cara bacanya ya. Thank you. Jadi last year Saudi Arabia, which follow a strict interpretation of Sharia Islamic law, executed more than 130 people. Okay, thank you, Nak. So in this text, I want you to do the task. Yeah, I want you to do the task. There are text 1. Identify or analyze the generic structure of the text above, yeah, by filling the paragraph on the text, and then identify the purpose of the main idea of the text. Kemudian ada identify the language feature and rearrange, jadi arrange the following sentence in a good news item text in task 2, ya, in your group. So, jadi ini ada teks 1 dan task 2, silakan kalian kerjakan secara kelompok. Diskusikan dengan teman-temanmu satu kelompok. Ya, jelas? Jelas, Nak?
Jelas, Ma'am.
Oke, Mem kasih waktu
Yes, ma'am.
10 menit, 15 menit boleh? Atau 5 menit kalau bisa. Berarti luar biasa anak-anak Mem kalau bisa 5 menit mengerjainnya. Ya, atau 10 menit boleh lah. Oke, silakan mengerjakan bekerja sama dengan kelompoknya. Ya, Mem tunggu, silakan. Kerjasamanya kalian chat di grup WA. Kan kita ada grup WA kita ya. Ada di grup WA kita. Oke, nanti Mem buka lagi. Nanti Mem buka lagi grup WA-nya. Ditunggu ya, Nak ya. Oke. Sekarang kerjakan dulu di bukumu. Nanti kita bisa diskusikan dengan temanmu ya, Nak ya. Bentar ya. Oke, silakan bisa dibuka lagi di grup WA-nya. Udah bisa kan? Silakan diskusi di grup WA-nya. Mem tunggu ya.
Punya saya masih, Mem.
Masih ya? Enggak kok, udah bisa kok. Coba dites dulu Handy di grup WA kita yang besar. English
masih, Mem.
12.
Nggak bisa, Mem.
Nggak bisa ya, tunggu sebentar ya. Sudah, Nak? Coba dites Handy.
Belum bisa, Mem.
Belum bisa juga. Oke, udah bisa?
Oke, Mem.
Oke, silakan diskusi.
Udah, Mem.
Oke, silakan diskusi ya. Oh iya, untuk tasnya udah Mem juga kirimkan di grupnya kan? Udah kan? Udah kan, Nak? Di grup ya, udah Mem kirim itu. Sama materinya
Iya,
itu
Mem.
tergabung dalam materinya tasnya itu. Oke,
Ya,
silakan kerjakan.
Baik, Ma'am.
Any question? Any question so far?
Ada, ma'am.
Oke, silahkan kerjakan. Oke, finish? Finish?
Belum,
Ada
Ma'am.
yang udah siap? Mungkin ada satu kelompok yang udah siap di task 1. Bagian yang pertama. Ada yang udah siap? Ada yang udah siap, nak? Andy?
Sedikit lagi, ma'am.
Oh, sedikit lagi.
Ready, ma'am.
Oke, grup Nadia ya. Nadia grup pertama ya. Oke, silakan. Coba dulu yang grup pertama presentasikan hasil diskusinya. Ih, cepat sekali ya. Baguslah anak-anak mem ini. Grup pertama garcep ya, luar biasa. Oke, silakan Nadia.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Untuk generic structure dari tes 1 itu first main effect atau dia ininya apa namanya, ma'am, paragraf utamanya.
Iya, paragraf utamanya yang mana?
Terdapat pada an Indonesian main was behind that in Saudi Arabia. Itu yang main effect-nya, event.
Main event-nya ya. In Indonesian housemaid has been executed ya.
An Indonesian maid
Ya.
was beheaded in Saudi Arabia.
Oke. Yang lain? Ada masukan yang lain gimana? Yang lain? Mungkin ada masukan? Hendy gimana, Hendy?
Hampir sama dengan Nadia tadi, ma'am.
Coba dibacakan, Hendy.
And Indonesia maid was beheaded beheaded in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, an Indonesian maid was beheaded in Saudi Arabia. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Group 1, that is Nadia, Aldo, Ananda, Eka, Hendy juga ya. Okay, Hendy. Okay, yang lain? Any another ideas? No?
Sama dengan Hendy, Ma'am. Sama kayak Hendy.
Oh ya, Maria sama ya, Maria. Maria Seruni, grup 4 ya, Nak ya?
Iya, Ma'am.
Okay, now the background. Coba Julfi. Or maybe Yolanda from group 2. How about the background? Yolanda, are you still here?
Ya, Ma'am.
Okay.
Backgroundnya itu yang the maid was a liar found of suffocating itu, Ma'am.
Yang mana? Yang mana, Nak?
Yang ketiga, Ma'am, paragraf ketiga.
Iya.
Paragraf ketiga, the maid was earlier found in suffocating her female boss. Okay, ya bisa juga itu ya, Nak ya. Yang lain gimana? Coba grup 3, Rini. Rini gimana, Rini? Idenya gimana, Rini?
Kalau yang paragraf kedua itu, Ma'am, the woman was beheaded in the south.
Okay, the woman was beheaded in the southern Aceh province. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, now resource, the resource of information. What group wants to answer the resource of information?
Resource of information.
Yang mana?
Paragraf keempat.
Saudi Interior Minister Statement.
Oke, iya. Saudi Arabian, ya, Interior Minister said. Oke, ya, Saudi Interior. Oke, now identify the social function. Grup berapa yang udah siap?
Yang mana tuh?
Task yang ke-1, bagian 2. Siapa yang udah siap? Silahkan. Silahkan yang udah siap. Rini, gimana Rini? Yeni, maybe Yeni.
Bentar, Ma'am.
Bentar.
Ready, ma'am.
Oke, Nadia, grup 1. Oh, grup 1 luar biasa. Silakan.
Untuk the social functionnya itu to inform the readers about an Indonesian housemaid has been executed in Saudi Arabia. Executed in Saudi Arabia after being convicted of killing her employer.
Ya.
Itu social functionnya. Terus kalau untuk main idenya itu an Indonesian housemaid has been executed in Saudi Arabia after being convicted of killing her employer. Gitu, Ma'am.
Oke, yang lain? Oke, thank you Nadia. Grup 1. Yang lain? Grup 2, 3, 4 dan 5 gimana?
Sama, Ma'am.
Sama.
Sama,
Oke.
Ma'am. Sama.
Oke, kalau sama kita lanjutkan. Ya, lanjutkan di language feature-nya. Language feature-nya silahkan. Siapa yang mau mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya? Silahkan. Action verb-nya apa di situ? Beheaded. Apa sih beheaded itu, Nak?
Pancung.
Oh iya, hukum pancung. Oke, kemudian apa lagi di situ? Saying verb-nya apa? Saying verb-nya? Oke, the Saudi Interior Minister said. Kemudian passive sentences-nya.
The man
was online.
Oh ya, was earlier found. Oke, past simple-nya ada di situ apa?
After
After
being
being convicted of killing her employer, the woman was hidden in the shoulder. Islamic law execute
more than
130 people.
Coba Memo dengar dulu lah. Tadi Nadia, kelompok lain coba. Mungkin kelompoknya Yolanda yang bisa mewakili. Mana kelompoknya Yolanda? Ada Zulfi, Dea, Yeni, Fajar. Ada nak?
Yang past tense ya, Mem?
Iya, yang past tense. Ya, yang mana?
Yang past tense, last year, Saudi Arabia, which follow a strict interpretation of Sharia, Islamic law executed more than 113 people.
Oke, thank you. That's good, Yeni. Ya, oke, itu identify-nya about language feature. Oke, next. The last. Siapa yang udah bisa nih yang nyusun text item ini? Ayo. Coba grup 5. Grup 5. Silakan grup 5. Grup 5 mana ya? Nabila, Fendi. Atau grup 4? Gebrianti Panjaitan. You still here? Nur Aslinda.
Sabar, Mem.
Oh, sabar. Nur Aslinda. Silakan Nur Aslinda. Udah siap? Atau yang lain yang udah siap? Jangan kelompok 1 terus, yang lain juga yuk. Kelompok 2 mungkin, 3, 4, dan 5.
Mem.
Oh ya, Mahdalena silakan.
Dari nomor 4, Mem.
Oke.
Pandemic of COVID-19 brings bad news for students in private schools.
Iya, yang mana, Nak? Pandemic of COVID-19 brings bad news for students in private school. Ya, is it true? Bener, Nak?
Benar,
Mem. Oke, yang kedua yang mana?
Yang nomor 1.
Nomor 1. Coba Maria nomor berapa Maria? Maria Papang?
Nomor 4 yang pertama, terus yang kedua nomor 2, Mem.
Nomor 2. Oke. Coba bacakan Maria.
Currently, some students in private school face difficulties.
Oke, that's good. Maria Saruni. Kalimat yang ketiga gimana?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, yang mana kalimat ketiga ya, Nak?
Yang number 1.
The
pandemic has made parents lost their job or the lower incomes.
Oke, that's good. Now, selanjutnya, kalimat selanjutnya yang mana yang benar itu? Debbie?
Yang, Mem.
Debbie, silakan Debbie.
Yang itu yang ketiga, Mem.
Yang mana?
After one, yang ketiga.
That is
why parents
have
struggled to pay students to tuition even during the online learning.
Okay, that is why parents have struggled to pay students tuition even during the online learning. Okay, thank you. That's good. Give applause for us. Ya, oke, kasih tepuk tangan untuk kita semua. Luar biasa. Luar biasa semangatnya anak Mem luar biasa anak Mem semuanya. Oke, thank you. Oke, next kita lanjutkan pembelajaran kita. Nah, Task 3, ya, task 3, do the quiz about news item text in Google Form in your classroom or in this link. Ya, jadi Mem udah kirim nih di Google Classroom, Classroommu, ini ada kuis tentang news item text. Jadi nanti kalian kerjakan ini, ya, setelah pembelajaran ini, Mem tunggu sampai jam 7 malam nanti. Jelas?
Jelas, Ma'am.
Jelas.
Jelas, Ma'am.
Any questions so far about our lesson today?
No, ma'am.
No. Oke, jelas. Sekarang, I want you to conclude our meeting today about our material. Coba siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan pembelajaran kita hari ini apa? Tentang apa? Raise your hand, please.
News item.
Yeni, ya, Yeni. Silakan, Yeni.
Enggak, Mem.
Enggak. Kita tadi belajar apa, Nak?
News item, ma'am.
News item. Oke, news item itu apa? What is the news item, Maria Papang?
News item is a text that informs the readers about noteworthy or important events of the day.
Okay, that's good. And then what else we have learned about the material?
Social function, generic structure, language features, and example of news item.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. So today we have learned about the news item. We have learned about the definition, the generic structure, the social function, and also the language feature-nya, ya. Jadi kita udah belajar nih, belajar apa aja di situ. Di situ kita belajar definisinya, strukturnya, kemudian bahasanya dan fungsinya, juga contoh-contohnya. So, diharapkan nanti I hope you can write a news item text by your own word, ya. Jadi kalian bisa nanti diharapkan ke depannya bisa untuk membuat news item text ini. Mungkin untuk pertemuan kita hari ini cukup sekian, ya. Enough for today. Thank you for your attendance in this room. Ya, terima kasih atas kehadiran anak-anak Mem semuanya. Coba the last meeting today, I want you to on your camera, please. Ya, coba buka semua kameranya. I want to take the picture. Mem mau ambil fotonya, screenshot fotonya. Tolong dibuka semua, Nak. Buka sebagai dokumentasi kita. Ya. Cheers. Give your best smile. Cheers. Okay, thank you. Okay, enough for today. Yeah, see you next week. Yeah, stay healthy. And goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.